Today we have come up with a zebra cake recipe. It looks really yummy and also I know that it is looking little complicated, but let me tell you a secret. It is not. Let's see and learn how to make this one. But before that, do subscribe to our channel, else you will no longer see our yummy recipes. In a mixing bowl, firstly we are taking 1 cup flour or maida. Then we are adding half tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder into it. After that, we are adding half cup of powdered sugar. Then take a whisker and mix it well. Now we will start adding our wet ingredients. We are adding half cup of curd. Give it a little mix. Up next we are adding 1/4 cup of oil into it. Keep on mixing it nicely. Time to add 1/4 cup of water. Mix the batter nicely until it is combined well. Friends, you need to mix it very firmly as there should be no lumps in your batter. You all can see that our smooth nice batter is ready. Now once it is ready, keep it aside. Time to make our cocoa powder batter. Take a mini bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 4 tablespoons of water in it. Mix it well till it combines properly. Mix it nicely so that there would be no cocoa lumps in the batter. Here you go, our cocoa batter is ready. Now we are making 2 batters. One is vanilla, which is white batter, and the other one will be chocolate one. So we are taking little white batter into a different bowl and we will add the cocoa powder into it. Then we will be having 2 batters. One is vanilla batter and one is cocoa batter. So you can see our 2 batters are ready. After that, take a bowl or a cake tin, grease it with oil, dust some flour or maida into the bowl. Time to learn the technique of making the zebra cake. We have to pour the 2 separate white and dark batter in the cake tin one by one, as we have to make alternate layers. So first we are pouring the vanilla batter. Then on the top of it we will be adding the chocolate batter layer. Now it is easy. The same way you have to go on repeating the same process and forming multiple layers of white and dark batter. The amount and proportion of the batter can be uneven or random also. who cares about the proportion and batter? One should enjoy baking cakes, isn't it? Now friends, time to show a little creativity. We are taking a toothpick and we are making a pattern on it. We are making a flower shaped pattern. You can make any other as well. Wow, isn't it looking so beautiful and tempting? Now we are starting the baking process. Preheat the kadai or pressure cooker for 10 minutes on a high flame. Place a plate or stand in it, and then you can add salt at the bottom as it will help in better baking. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's check it. Insert a toothpick inside the cake. If it comes out smoothly and clean, that means the cake is ready. Time to demold it with the help of a knife. After doing it, take a plate, put it on the top of it, flip the tin, and the cake will easily come out of the tin. Here comes our yummy, delicious zebra cake. Serve it up on a serving plate. Binging on this cake would be really fun, I must tell you. Have a yummy tummy time after trying this recipe, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section. Also, will that be fair to enjoy this cake alone? No, right? So do share this recipe with all your friends. And why don't you take up a zebra cake challenge? And let's see who makes it better. I will see you super soon with another yummy recipe. Till then, stay home and have a happy cooking.